Excel's PMT function is widely used in banking and mortgage circles. It allows us to calculate the monthly payments on a loan. Suppose you want to buy a house and you're looking at some numbers in terms of what you want to borrow and different interest rates, or perhaps set it up for long-term reference purposes. What we'd like to have in this particular worksheet is a quick way to calculate all these different answers which we may get if we're borrowing different amounts of money using those rates. In the upper left-hand corner of this, we'll use the PMT formula and temporarily use the two cells above it. They don't have to match these numbers, and in the end they may not contain anything. We're about to use a data table, so enter the master formula equal PMT left parenthesis. Then we use the payment function. We first begin with the cell with a percent in it, and it's almost always stated as a yearly amount. We'll divide it by 12 since as most payment issues revolve around monthly payments. Say that all these are going to be using the 360-month option, and that's in cell A1. So we'll just use that comma and the third argument within the PMT function. It's the amount that we're borrowing, and that will be B2. If I press enter now, our answer would be negative. But if I wanted our result to be expressed as a positive number, we'd put a minus in front of B2 and press enter. If you were attempting to borrow $200,000 with a 3% interest for the next 30 years, that is your monthly payment, principal and interest included. We'll think of this as our master formula. We're going to highlight that cell and the others here and then. On the DataTable tab, go to the What If analysis on the Tools group and use DataTable. DataTable will use the master formula in cell B3. Our row input B1 and our column input will be B2. I've color-coded them to match the data that we're referring to here. Then click OK and you get answers for all of these. Now, this could be done with other formulas, but it would have taken a lot longer. An add-on feature to consider here to bring out these numbers even better would be to select these and a quick application from the Home tab by way of conditional formatting, using color scales. This gives added weight to the results. On the data table, we can clearly see the amount we'd be repaying each month based on the amount we're borrowing and the interest rates.